Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Ring, and I will go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's just get it open. That's I will have to say, nice presentation. Now there's something red here at the top. Okay, so we get a charging cable, Type-C to Type-C, and that's and paperwork, so that's about it. And this is your charging case for it. It feels nice and premium, I have to say. There's a bit of a lighting for it as well. So this is kind of, see if I can get it back up there. Nice design. I'm taking it off. Now this is a bit too chunky for my finger, so a bit loose. But anyway, here we go. We have a couple of sensors that are visible right here, and going over them as they are listed, which one is which. We have see. So we have the I think this one right here, as there are three. I'm not sure if it's going to be this or this one, but we have a first one being the, let's just quickly scroll through this. So first one is, come on, show me the accelerometer. Then we have a bio-optical signal sensor for heart rate monitoring. And then we have a skin temperature sensor. So with those three sensors, we also have the ability to, outside of doing the things that they are listed to do, like temperature, accelerometer, so measuring your steps. It also can monitor the sleep modes, for instance, how you sleep, and everything is being tracked by the Samsung Health application. Other than that, it just tries to substitute what your, for instance, smartwatch does, but just without a display. And I'm not exactly sure what the battery life of this is. I don't think it's listed anywhere right here. Let's see, can I find it? Less charging, more tracking. Use the Galaxy Ring for up to 14 days without plugging it into any outlet. Okay, so that's actually a decent battery life. Now, this itself also has a battery, can be charged, so I think, I'm not necessarily sure, but I'm guessing that this is just kind of like a marketing, as this has a battery, meaning without any outlet. It's deliberately written because you can charge it off of this, most likely, and therefore they're not lying. It's not plugged into any outlet, but it's similar to with earbuds, and you don't see companies label earbuds as lasting, for instance, a week. But more into how many hours buds can last and then how many charges the case can give it. I am just guessing right here, so I could be incorrect about this. But if I scroll down a little bit further on the list, it says up to 7 days battery life, which at this point, I'm pretty sure it's referring to the ring itself. So yeah, there we go. Obviously, probably one thing that you might want to check out before you order one of those is their little kit that I think they do send you for checking the sizes of the rings. These one, obviously, this specific one is not gonna work for me as it is too loose. These sensors need to be pressing into your finger. As you can see, that's a massive gap between, so this one wouldn't even be viable for me. I'm not exactly sure what the size of this is, and I'm not sure if it's written somewhere, but yeah, you do want to have a good fit of the ring for your finger. Otherwise, the results, the information that, for instance, the application gets might not be completely accurate. Like your, for instance, heart rate monitoring, if it's not really, contacting your finger too well, it might not catch the heart rate correctly. It might skip a couple beats, so obviously it would come out as lower than what it actually is. So make sure you get the correct fit for you. And they do offer this kind of like fitting package where you just have like plastic ones and you just see the size on it. You can fit it on and figure out which size you need to order. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.